Living where you love to vacation sounds like a dream, right? Or does it really? Hi, I'm Christine Lurie, broker with App Properties, and I'm going to talk about the top 3 pros of owning a vacation home and also some things to look out for. Number 1, owning a vacation home is a great way to save money that you would normally throw away on a hotel and temporary comforts. It also gives you less to pack, so you have the freedom to pick up and go whenever you want. Keep in mind that also makes the upkeep and maintenance your responsibility, so finding the right property manager can help. Number 2, having a vacation home means you're building equity because property values tend to go up, especially in popular vacation destination areas. Also, depending on the area, a vacation home can be a great source of extra rental income. Keep in mind, being in a popular area means homes can be expensive, so be sure to budget for 2 homes, including mortgage, property taxes, insurance, utilities, and a property manager if you'll need one. Also, not every popular vacation destination allows you to rent your home out, so make sure to check with your local real estate expert to be sure. Number 3, finally, one of the best reasons to own a vacation home is that you can customize the home to your tastes and really get to know your neighbors and surroundings, giving you the feeling of being a true local. If you are thinking about getting a vacation home, more information on the process, please reach out. We are happy to help. Again, this is Christine Lurie, real estate broker with App Properties, and as always, home is key to a happy life, so love where you live.